In this video, I share how to generate massive income working just minutes a day in a simple online opportunity and how anyone can be successful making money online following our proven system. No prior experience is needed, there is no bugging your friends and neighbors, and this business is super affordable. Best of all, you can start making more money today. If you've ever wanted to increase your income without putting in a lot of time, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online full-time since 2002. I've built several different businesses over the years. This is by far the simplest yet. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about creating income online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So in this business, there is no big learning curve, no complicated setup. And like I said, you can start making money fast. We market something with mass appeal, no more trying to push a rope like in so many other businesses. You'll be leveraging the power of a unique marketing system and automation. That's how you can do this in just minutes a day. This business is ideal for people who are already very busy and who isn't these days. And speaking of leveraging your time and effort, this is a worldwide business in over 150 countries. As for the money, you can get paid every week by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. And what I really like is that you can earn long-term recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month for the business you've already done. You'll love still getting paid months from now for the business you do each day. That's what really creates time and money freedom. You'll receive excellent training. We hold 4 live webinars on Zoom each week, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. Plus, I will mentor you personally. You'll never wonder about what to do next. You will be able to reach out to me anytime you need help. You'll have your own high-converting marketing system. You will not have to create anything. It's all done for you. It's complete and ready to go. All you do is send traffic to your website, and we teach you how to do that for free in just minutes. Then just let the system do the rest. And in case you're wondering, you can make money in this online business without recruiting anyone. And no, this is not one of those MLM things where you have to purchase products. I hate that. Bottom line, this might be just what you've been looking for. So I encourage you to take a close look and get started making more money today. Take our online tour at attainmygoals.com/income. You'll know right away if this is for you.